Then we have also made recruitment at the nursery level. Nursery would mean students come to school when they are 3+. When they come to 3+, they need to have basic facilities. Earlier, many of them were in Anganwadis. Okay, Anganwadis still exist. They can go. Anganwadis, children who are 1 year old, 2 year old, 2.5 or 3 years old can go to Anganwadis. We are not saying Anganwadis should be closed. Anganwadis will continue to exist. But then it's important that we need to have nursery, LKG and UKG, and the kind of facilities, infrastructure which is required for nursery, LKG and UKG is altogether different. So in Arutla there is a separate block for pre-primary. So they can get into their classroom, they can study, they can attend classes there, and there is also playground immediately in front of their classrooms. Playground would mean that they need to have swings, whatever they want to do, they can play. All the basic requirements which are required for pre-primary we have developed in Arutla.